Welcome to SpringWorld by CASMI, the premier showcase of global exhibitors dedicated to the manufacturing companies in the spring and wire forming industry. Every 2 years, SpringWorld by CASMI draws thousands of visitors from nearly 20 countries converging in Rosemont, Illinois. The showcase features over 100 of the best suppliers to the industry, covering more than 30,000 square feet at the Donald Stevens Convention Center. The event draws exhibitors showcasing the most advanced technologies, services, and educational opportunities.
I'm Dennis Backus from Spiros Industries. I've been making springs for 42 years. I enjoy coming to SpringWorld to see all the newest equipment and all my friends. SpringWorld brings in all the equipment manufacturers. We get to see all the best equipment and latest features to keep our company on the leading edge.
My name is Christopher Weiland. I'm with Perfection Spring and Stamping Corp., and this is the first time I've attended SpringWorld by CASMI. I'm here to find all the industry support and suppliers in one location and see what's new in technology in the industry. We attended a technology session in an educational forum this morning to educate ourselves on what's going on in technology in the industry. We have at least 15 to 20 people attending from the company, from different functions in engineering, materials, procurement, quality, and manufacturing.
This is an opportunity for not only buyers to see the new equipment, services, and technologies, but is just as valuable to setup technicians, engineers, quality, maintenance, and sales representatives. Certainly the best part may be the value. Registration is free to all pre-registered attendees working at a contract manufacturing company within the industry. SpringWorld. Whether you are seeking equipment to manufacture springs or wire forms, stress relief furnaces, or grinders, wire mills, or distributors, testing equipment, tooling, supplies, or metal scrap dealers, SpringWorld provides the venue to see it all in one place at one time.